How to delete Facebook group on mobile. So go ahead and open the Facebook application and log in into your account if you haven't done already. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the lower right corner of the app. This will open the Facebook menu. Now in here, scroll down and tap on Groups. This will take you to the Groups section of Facebook. In the Group section, you'll see a list of all the groups that you belong to. Tap on the group that you want to delete, and once you're in the group, tap on the Manage. It is below the group's name. This will take you to the group's settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Delete Group. A confirmation will pop up, and in here you have the option to either cancel or delete group. Select Delete Group if you want to proceed. Another pop-up will appear, so just read the message and tap on Delete. After confirming the deletion, you'll be taken back to the Groups section, and the group you deleted will no longer appear on your list of groups. Please note that only the group creator or an admin of the group has the authority to delete a Facebook group. If you are not the creator or an admin of a group that you want to delete, you can just leave the group, but you won't be able to delete it completely. So that is how to delete Facebook group on mobile. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.